that in the mouth. Oh, I gotta interfere.
You know how many doggies have sucked that thing?
I feel like I need to intervene. Oh no, it's gotten away again! Get it! Go get it! Go get it!
Get it! Yeah, you can get it, Roman.
Came right to it.
I got it! Yay!
He's so not sure about it. He's like,
Yeah, what is that? What is it?
he does the same reaction he does to the ice cream cone. I don't know. He seems to be enjoying that thing a little bit more. You dropped a Red Hot.
I think we're done. I think that's as interesting as it gets. It's off. It stopped.